Ever been in a situation where you absolutely need something, whether it's that new pair of sneakers, groceries for the week, or even that surprise date night, but payday feels miles away? You're not alone. We've all been there. That's where Beforepay comes in. But can you actually use it everywhere? Let's dive in. Beforepay is a unique financial tool that lets you access a portion of your earned wages early. It's like getting a little advance on your paycheck, giving you the flexibility to cover unexpected expenses or simply enjoy life a bit more in the present. But here's the burning question: is this magic available everywhere? Can you use Beforepay at every single store, online and offline? The good news is, Beforepay works with a wide range of merchants. You can generally use it at most major retailers, both online and in-store. Think big names like Amazon, Target, Walmart, and countless others. You can also use it for everyday expenses like groceries at supermarkets, dining out at restaurants, and even for those online subscriptions that seem to pop up every month. Now, how does it actually work? Well, Beforepay often integrates with your existing debit or credit card. So, when you're ready to make a purchase, simply use your card as you normally would. The amount you're eligible to access through Beforepay will be deducted from your upcoming paycheck. It's that simple. While Beforepay works at many places, it's important to note that there might be some exceptions. Very small, local businesses or specific online platforms might not be supported. It's always a good idea to check the Beforepay app or website for the most up-to-date list of supported merchants. Using Beforepay offers some real advantages. It provides financial flexibility, helping you avoid those pesky late fees or the stress of overdraft charges. It can also be a helpful tool for managing your cash flow and making sure you have the funds to cover essential expenses. However, it's crucial to use Beforepay responsibly. Only borrow what you can comfortably repay when your paycheck arrives. And always review the terms and conditions carefully, including any associated fees. So, can you use Beforepay anywhere? The answer is generally yes, with a wide range of merchants supported. But always check for specific limitations and use this financial tool wisely. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.